In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date calendar field in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy feature when you want to create interactive PDF forms that require date entries, such as applications or questionnaires. To get started, open your PDF document within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is open, navigate to the top menu and select Tools. From there, you'll want to click on Prepare Form. This will switch you into form editing mode, which is crucial for adding any interactive elements to your PDF. Now, take a look at the Prepare Form toolbar. Somewhere amidst these options, you should find an icon labeled Date Field. Keep in mind, according to Adobe, this was introduced in an earlier release, and technically, the date field functions as a text field behind the scenes. Populated with this knowledge, click on that date field icon. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the spot within your PDF where you envision the date field fitting best. It could be at the top, the bottom, or nestled amongst other form fields, wherever it suits your document's flow. Once your date field is nicely placed, it's time to refine it a bit. Double-click on the field you've just added. Alternatively, you can right-click and choose Properties. This will lead you into the Field Properties dialog, where you'll tailor the field to meet your specific needs. Focus on the Format tab once you're there. Here, you'll have the chance to select Date as your format category. You'll notice Adobe offers several display formats for the date, such as DDYYYY or DDMMYYYY, which allows you to cater to various regional formatting styles and preferences. Aside from just the date format, there are several other options available within the Properties section. You might consider adding a tooltip, which is a little text that appears when a user hovers over the field. This can provide helpful hints or instructions. Additionally, you can set the field to be required if having a date is essential for your form's purpose. Scanning through the other options here could also spark some ideas for additional customization. Finally, don't forget to save your enhanced PDF document. Simply head to the File menu and select Save. This ensures all your additions and customizations are preserved, allowing you to share your newly interactive form with ease. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a date calendar field into your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Not only does this improve the user experience, but it also adds a layer of functionality to your document. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.